Right out of the packaging, this is how she is looking. Very soft. Salt. Don't hit me. This wig got me speaking a whole nother language. What is salt? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Carsey Denise. If you're new for the very first time, thank you so much for stopping by to check out your girl video. But before you leave, I need you to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you become part of the family and you'll be notified whenever your girl uploads a video. If you're a returning family member, what up cousins? Y'all already know how we do it. So as you already read from the title, it is another Amazon Prime wig review. Yes, honey. Quarantine got me all on Amazon just scrolling. I'm pretty sure I'm not by myself. You guilty. I know you are. But before we go ahead and get into this wig review, if you're interested in this little unit I have on here, okay, I will leave the link for the video for her down below. So y'all can check sis out because sis is a slay, honey. Get into it, okay? All right. So back to the matters at hand. Today's review is from UNice Hair Company from Amazon Prime. I did get this in, I think it was like 3 days. 3, maybe 4. It didn't take long, but probably more 4 days. We're just gonna say 4 to be on the safe side. This is the box set she came in, okay. Inside the box, you're gonna get a wig cap, some adjustable straps, yes ma'am, and your units, okay? Now this is their 16-inch Mongolian version hair with bangs, okay? And she is 150% density. So right out of the packaging, this is how she is looking. She is very soft. Very nice density, definitely 150% density. This is her bang, and y'all already know how I feel about bangs, okay? Anything that's gonna keep me from having to do these eyebrows that I can throw and it go, I'm all for it, honey, okay? So let's go ahead and try sis on and let's see how she looks. on this unit, and right off back, this hair is so soft, like sis, butter, okay? Butter. Now, the wig does not have any combs, like, not a zip, no combs. You just throw sis on and pray for the best. No, but seriously, like, she's super snug. I do have the adjustable strap on the tightest one in the middles, and she's super snug. She ain't going nowhere. Like, she's so cool. She's so cool, so cool. Now, I didn't experience any shedding whatsoever. I have not washed the unit, so I'm definitely going to do that off camera. I just wanted to kind of come on and show you guys real quick how it is, how it feels, give you all the good details about her. But yeah, she didn't smell like, she smells like human hair. Like, she didn't have like a weird smell, like, you know, some people say they wigs smell weird. Although none of my wigs never smelled weird, so I can't really tell you what that smell is. But yeah, she smells like regular human hair, so that's a plus. I also love how the bang is like just enough of bang. You know what I'm saying? Like, not too much and not too little. It's like the perfect amount of bang. You know what I'm trying to say? Yeah, I know what I'm trying to say. She did flat iron easy, so I don't want y'all to think that I was over here struggling. It's just, this is probably the most action my flat iron has ever seen since I've had it, because all my wigs are synthetic, so I'm not really got here flat iron in my synthetic wigs. And I literally got this, what's it called? I literally got this flat iron from like Walgreens like years ago. So I'm pretty sure if I get a better flat iron and upgrade, then the process will be a lot easier. So if y'all got some good flat iron brands that y'all want to drop below, go ahead and drop that for you girls so I can check some out. But just make sure they on the affordable side, because I ain't spending a lot of money on that. She ain't doing that. Now, this wig does run you $95, which I think is pretty good for a human hair wig, 16-inch. If you do have Amazon Prime, you'll get her, like I said, within 3 to 4 days. And that's only because, you know, this whole coronavirus got everything backed up. But yeah, that's all I got for her. I love her. She's beautiful. She will be rocked. So if you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, I will definitely leave the link down below so y'all can get your hands on her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Peace.